I am just so proud of you all. Look at you there. I am proud. Something was munching on my cucumber leaves, but you know what? I bind the devil. I bind him. Bell peppers, didn't like you till I turned 25.
I'd like to introduce you lot to Davinia. That's Doveenia. And she's having 2 babies on my front porch. You red bastard. Y'all, this is so sweet. I know I was just yelling at y'all, but the mom went to go get some food. She didn't get enough, so she went like, "Caw!" And then the dad came and he started feeding. Oh, this is so goddamn sweet. Y'all can stay.
Davine, Donovan, don't. When y'all leaving? Huh? When y'all leaving? Huh?
Don't leave me in all this pain. Don't leave me out in the rain. Come back and bring back my smile. Come and pack these tears away. I can't forget the day you laughed. Life was so unkind. Bring back the days when I was scared to walk past you. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. And if the storm don't cease, and just in case the wind keeps on blowing in my life, my soul has been anchored in the Lord. Hey, Lordy, since my soul is anchored, yeah, I'm asking you to let it rain, let it rain. Every drip, every drip, drip, every drip, drip, every drip, every drip, drip, drop, every drip, 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 drop. I want you to wipe some things away from me, Jesus. Wipe away COVID-19, hey, Lordy. Wipe away depression. Wipe away guilt and shame. Wipe away heartache and pain. Oh, yeah. Wipe it away. Oh. And one more thing. Oh. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, for watering my garden, yeah. I sure didn't feel like it. I'm gonna throw you up a tomato. I'm gonna throw you up a cucumber. Make you a salad, Jesus. What dressing do you use, sir? I got to know. Is it ranch? Is it Italian?